नमस्ते दोस्तों, सब लोग कैसे हैं? दुआ करते हैं सब लोग अच्छे ही होंगे। तो आज ये जो वीडियो मैं बनाने जा रहा हूँ, इसका मेन सब्जेक्ट होगा कुकिंग। सो हियर वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट व्हाट इज कुकिंग और व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ कुकिंग। मुझे जो स्पेशली लगता है कि ये वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स है। कुकिंग हम लोग सब लोग करते हैं, राइट? कभी कभार करते हैं, हर दिन करते हैं। ये डिफरेंस हो सकता है कि कभी कभी आपको कुकिंग करना पड़ता है और कोई कोई हर दिन करता है। तो कभी अगर आपको कोई पूछ लिया कि व्हाट इज कुकिंग, आप तो कुक करते हो अलग अलग पकवान, तो ये जो कुकिंग है ये एक्चुअली चीज क्या है, इसका डेफिनेशन क्या है? तो मैं चाहता हूं कि आप ये रट लो और आपके अंदर एक आइडिया आ जाए कि एक्चुअली ये कुकिंग होता चीज क्या है। तो मैं आपको बहुत ही सिंपल तरीका से आपको इसका डेफिनेशन दूंगा। सो प्लीज बी कॉन्सेंट्रेट। वन थिंग टू मेंशन, जो लोग स्टूडेंट है हॉस्पिटैलिटी मैनेजमेंट और होटल मैनेजमेंट, और जो लोग क्राफ्ट कोर्स कर रहे हैं स्पेशली फॉर किचन, फॉर देम दिस इंफॉर्मेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। So let's go to the topic. Before I go in, I would like to request every one of you, if till now you did not subscribe my channel, just go and subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification faster and quickly. So what is cooking? Cooking is basically a type of art. It's include the application and the withdrawal of heat, mixing of many ingredients, or sometime one ingredients itself. Many things that may be varieties of vegetable, varieties of non-vegetarian items. Example like chicken, like lamb, like beef, or some other non-veg items. Even with the addition of varieties of spices like turmeric powder, chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, many herbs like mint, coriander leaves, oregano, parsley, thyme. There have lots, thousand varieties. So we follow step by step process to produce a very delicious and tasty food. So by that talk you can easily understand, if you want to have a very delicious food, then cooking is very important part. Okay, come to the other hand. There have some cold application of cooking process as well, like ice cream. Only cooking is the process which make the food easy to digest and acceptable to our appetite. If there is not proper cooking, it may harm our body. It may lead varieties of illness to our health. Only two main thing, one is temperature control, another is proper steps following in cooking. If both are perfect, I am telling you that you no need to go to doctor regularly. You will be healthy and you will feel yourself energetic throughout the day. So we have to ensure ourselves that whenever, whoever cooking some product, cooking some dishes, he have to ensure that he cooking properly, because that is the matter of our health, right? Now all the world is suffering through a very terrible situation because of COVID-19. So I am requesting to all of you, please do take care of you and yourself. Try to take all the steps you can to avoid that COVID-19. Stay at home, prepare lots of variety dishes and explore the cuisine. So guys, I especially feel myself that I have given you the basic idea of cooking. So from now onwards, if some other people asking you the basic definition or what is cooking, I am damn sure that you are going to give a perfect answer. Is not it? So guys, if you want me to discuss on cooking more deeply, please let me know by comments. So for that time being, do take care of you. I will come with another topic soon, and don't forget to subscribe as I told you at the beginning of that video, right? And you can give me topic as well. If you like me to discuss on that particular topic you have chosen, just let me know comments as well. सो डू टेक केयर ऑफ यू। खाना बनाइए, खाना खिलाइए और अपने आप को हेल्थी रखिए। ओके, सो फॉर द टाइम बीइंग डू टेक केयर एंड जय हिंद।